Kasuka jela mataksngi ka menju bandu asyam snem aja abusan ke eksamin nam tak kelas 10 ni secondary school living certificate kindon no Tylli. Habakran mataksngi halo kan ikarai ka kanhun menteri menteri ketanat pulih putih ka jela urakam isang maula pentip baka eksamin bakongsan ni ka main exam jang kelas 10 jang kesamoy aja abusan kanong habanai rempang ni lube bat sakawai pat kanong habanai jemang hakaba kitu ki bapir ka ban Ialeh tang yaki subjek bagi Phiel. Kani kalong ban pelait na kajing selwa kai kepo jong ki kena ban up ban Ialeh biang hadu sisnem kumbalong hakini kisnem lalai. Menteri laong ru bahak samai jong usnem aja apun ruseneng ke eksamin matrik kan long no habanai no pra kenang bagi kena ki bapir hakamin eksamin kinyo ban Ialeh biang ya ke eksamin tang yaki subjek bagi Phiel habanai rempang bat kinyo ban wat rung kelas hakapor Biang. Cucu laong banadu kesemoy puli usnem aja approseneng kan omdon syu kajing trikam ya ke optional paper hanai kadon bait tangka best of 5 hak bagi kena kidiban paslut ya baru ke subjek. Laong baka suka jela kelas simi kan senjam kalong katkum kan new education policy bathamai jong kari. Kui bat kimat ki baka kanhun menteri kira menjur hakan ki jingilang kalong ban penkiu ya kerta uchalman ke Farmer Empowerment Commissions nakan rebusan sya ke new postnem. Susu kala menjuru ba ki deputy commissioner ki district kin pediang ya kanu ke jing ujor ya ke jingle benami katkum ka a.
In class 8 right now and below, they have to be very prepared from now onward that all the subjects will be made compulsory from 2027 onward. Yeah, that's all. Thank you. Yeah. Like this, the cabinet has approved the amendment of Meghalaya Board of School Education regulation for the secondary school living certificate examination 2011, where there will be 2 board examination in an academic year. One will be for the main examination, and if any fail students, they will be given opportunity to write again after a gap of 2 months within month of May, so that all failed candidates can be reappeared for the board in the class 10 board examination as a supplementary.
So the marks will be calculated together, or there will be separate mark sheet again for supplementary?
No, the question doesn't arise the mark of difference, because only the failed students will be writing in the second board exam. No? Yeah. Only the marks will calculate only of the pass subject. Only of the pass subject.
What is the main reason that the government has to think about having 2
board exams?
Look, it is in line with the NEP, number 1, and number 2, in our state, the supplementary examination is being held after a gap of 1 year, next year, which is a loss of completely 1 a year. So just to what you call help us, students to help out, they will be appearing supplementary examination within a same academic year. That's all. So this is being done in CBSE also, CBSE board and other board of the countries. Yeah. Okay.